Good morning, students. This is chemistry period, and today we have to discuss about hydrocarbons. Okay, so we already discussed this topic in previous class, but today we just take a look, take a revision of this hydrocarbons. Okay, see, hydrocarbons means what? Hydrocarbons means the compound containing hydrogen and carbon. The compound containing hydrogen and carbon, such a compound we called as a hydrocarbons. So there are two types of hydrocarbon. One is a saturated and next one is a unsaturated. Okay, there are two type of hydrocarbon. One is saturated hydrocarbon. See, the hydrocarbons are two type: saturated and unsaturated. So what means the saturated and what is the meaning of unsaturated? See here, hydrocarbons means क्या होता है? Are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. Such compounds are called as a hydrocarbons. Now, saturated hydrocarbons means what? Saturated hydrocarbons means are the hydrocarbon having all the single covalent bond between the carbon atom. Okay, saturated hydrocarbon means what? This having the single bond, this compound having the single bond between the carbon atom. Okay, now example we take here alkane. Example we take here alkane. So here alkane have all the single covalent bond between the carbon atoms. See the example of methane. Methane having all the single bond, the one carbon atom forming the single bond with the four hydrogen atom. And the prefix for alkane, alkane का जो prefix होता है is a ANE. Prefix for alkane it is a ANE. Okay, we take the next example ethane. Formula for ethane it is a C2H6. Here two carbon atom are arranging, okay, and three hydrogen atom are forming the single bond with the carbon atom. Okay, here we saw only a single bond, so that's why we call such a compound as a saturated compound. Okay, ऐसे compound को हम बोलेंगे saturated compound. Now move to next, that is unsaturated compound. Unsaturated compounds means what? Unsaturated compound means what? Unsaturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons having a double or triple covalent bond between two carbon atoms. See, if we have the example like C and C, in between two carbon atoms there is a double bond or triple bond. Such compounds are called as a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Example we take here alkenes and next is alkynes. एग्जाम्पल हम लेंगे अल्कीन्स, इसमें डबल बॉन्ड होता है, एंड अल्काइंस हियर इज अ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. अल्काइंस में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है. ओके, सो फॉर द प्रेफिक्स फॉर अल्कीन इट इज अ ENE एंड प्रेफिक्स फॉर अल्केन इट इज अ ANE. प्रेफिक्स फॉर अल्काइन YNE. दिस थ्री प्रेफिक्स फॉर अल्केन, फॉर अल्कीन एंड फॉर अल्काइन. ओके, हियर अल्केन में जो होता है वो सिंगल बॉन्ड होता है, अल्कीन में डबल बॉन्ड, एंड अल्काइन इट इज देयर इज अ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. ओके, नाउ अल्कीन्स. अल्कीन मीन्स व्हाट? हैव डबल बॉन्ड between two carbon atom and their names with, that is the prefix it is a ENE. प्रेफिक्स जो होता है अल्किन्स का ENE होता है. ओके, नाउ हियर फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस वी टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द इथिन. इथिन का हम एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर्मूला फॉर इथिन इज अ C2H4. वो जो है फॉर्मूला फॉर इथिन. सो अरेंजमेंट ऑफ इथिन molecule it is a like this. See, there is a double bond which is present in between two carbon atom. Okay, double bond है दो carbon atom में, that's why we called it as a unsaturated hydrocarbon. See, the carbon atom having the valency, carbon atom की जो valency होती है 4 होती है, that means it have the capacity to forming 4 bonds with the another atom. So most of the time it forming the bond with hydrogen. 4 बॉन्ड फॉर्म करने की कैपेसिटी रहती है कार्बन एटम की. सी दिस इज अ कार्बन एटम, दिस फर्स्ट बॉन्ड विथ हाइड्रोजन, नेक्स्ट बॉन्ड विथ नेक्स्ट हाइड्रोजन एटम, एंड दिस 2 बॉन्ड्स विथ अनदर कार्बन एटम. ओके, 1 2 3 4, 4 बॉन्ड हो गए. यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन निकला और यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म किया उसने कार्बन के साथ. ओके, सिंपल. अगर हम मीथेन की, इफ़ वी टेक द एग्जांपल फॉर मीथेन, सी एच 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 and here H. Here this is a replaced with, this hydrogen atom is replaced with double bond with carbon atom. Okay, that means we also called it as a unstable. Double bond means triple bond या double bond आ गया उसमें, so we called it as a unstable. Okay, now next example is a propene. The formula for propene is C3H6. See here the arrangement of carbon atom. C3, that is 1 2 3 carbon atom and 6 hydrogen atom. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3. Here double bond is there. Here double bond is there. Okay, why? Because see, the one carbon atom is forming the 4 bond with next atom. So see, this is one bond, this is second bond, this is third, so this one is a fourth bond. Okay, एक कार्बन एटम की कैपेसिटी क्या होती है, वो 4 बॉन्ड फॉर्म कर सकता है. तो इन प्रोपीन दिस इज 1 बॉन्ड, दिस इज सेकेंड, थर्ड, हियर देयर आर 2 बॉन्ड्स. यहाँ पे 2 बॉन्ड होंगे उसके, लाइक दिस 1 2 1 2 3 and 4. This is an example of propene. Now next, alkynes. Alkynes have a triple covalent bond between 2 carbon atoms and their names end with -ine. The prefix for alkynes is a Y-N-E. Prefix जो होता है alkyne का Y-N-E होता है. So here we take the example ethyne. So formula for ethyne is a C2H2. We have to arrange this ethyne molecule. C, H single bond with carbon, and carbon there are triple bond with each other, and another is a single bond with hydrogen. See, 1 2 3 and here 4 हो गई कार्बन की वैलेंसी कंप्लीट. 4 here also we take the next carbon 1 2 3 and 4 इसका भी कंप्लीट हो गया. Okay, if we take the example like this, simple alkane. Okay, ये हो गया इथेन हमारा. तो उसमें हम अरेंजमेंट ऐसी करेंगे. हियर द अरेंजमेंट इज लाइक दिस. ओके, सिंपल alkane, that is ethene, simple ethane, the arrangement of bond is like this, single bond. But in case of alkynes, this carbon atom is replaced, this also replaced, this also replaced and this also replaced with the triple bond. ये तीनों निकल गए and here is a triple bond is formed. Okay, that means the carbon atom fulfilling their valency with the 4 bonds. Okay, so next example, propyne. Next example is a propyne. See the example. The formula for propyne is a C3H4. formula जो है वो propyne का C3H4. so arrangement is like this. Okay, arrangement जो होगी उसकी, arrangement of bond between the carbon atom and the hydrogen atom is like this. So here we stop. In next class we will discussing about the isomers. Isomers means what? And the different hydrocarbons having how much isomers they have, two isomers, three isomers. Okay, so all this studied in we study in next class. Okay, so here we stop.